All right guys, GandB Pro has dropped some new bags and we got them here in the box today to show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up, unbox these new bags, show you guys the new differences. If there's any information that I don't hit and you guys wanna know more, go to GandB Pro on Instagram or GandBpro.com. I'll put it down in the description below. But anyway, let's get to opening these things up. All right guys, so this is one of the new bags. I don't even know the other colorways. I know there's a black and orange one that's pretty dope, but he went ahead and sent me some to hook my guys up with. You guys will see in a second, but these are the gray and Klutch lime green, neon yellow, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna bless a couple of my guys with these, but let's get these out of the way. We'll go ahead and open up one of these and see what the new features are. Got that new car smell or that new bag smell. All right guys, so this is the GandB Mini, I believe is what it's called, and this is the Gen 5. It's called the G5 Mini Tripod, and we'll get to the tripod part in a second. I want to compare a couple other bags for you guys so you can see the size difference, maybe help you guys figure out which bag is for you. So you guys can see over here, this is my original, this is the Indie Authentic. You can see if you look close, this is a little more yellow than this one. This is a little more lime green. This is kind of the Klutch yellow that the rest of the shop has. So this is the full size bag. You guys can see it is quite a bit bigger, quite a bit deeper. This is what I take on the road most of the time, guys, but honestly, when it's packed full, it will not fit underneath the airplane seat. So I actually check this in a suitcase and throw it underneath the plane when I want to take all of my stuff to a big hair show or something like that. But these mini bags are a little bit better to fit under the airplane seat. Just kind of depends on what you guys are gonna be doing with it. Then guys, this is the Klutch bag. Over the shoulder strap right here, you guys can see the GandB Pro strap, and more or less, this bag is the bottom of this bag. So you guys will see in a minute where the clippers go in this big bag. That's basically all you're gonna have in this bag, the top pouch and the clipper spot. So this is definitely much smaller, easier to take on the road. If you guys just do house calls, you just want a small bag to take stuff, this is kind of like a small briefcase that you guys can fit most of your clippers in and a few other things that you need for a small house call. Now guys, this is the Mini, like I said, right in between those two. Just kind of a good size to fit more stuff, but not in the huge bag if you guys don't like the big bag. Honestly guys, when I check my big bag, it's something like 35, 36 pounds. So not really pleasant to carry through the airport. That's also why I check it in the bag, carry that thing through the airport all day, then it doesn't fit under the seat. I have to put it above in the airplane, then I can't bring another bag with me. So this is definitely what I would use for that in between. I can fit most of my stuff in here. I can put it underneath the seat on the airplane. I can take another carry-on to put up above and get all my stuff to where I need to go. So like I said, guys, this is a new colorway. There's a black and orange, like kind of a Halloween colorway, and it is super dope. And then this is one of the other ones, the gray and lime green. So if you guys want to check those out, like I said, head to GandBpro.com. They did drop today, so you guys can check them out. But let's go ahead and look at this thing. We'll go ahead and see what is different. Obviously, guys, from the front, it just looks pretty normal. We're gonna have 4 pockets on the front. You guys see this top pocket. Usually I'll take this on the road and I will throw my phone and my keys and some of my things in this top pocket as I go through TSA. This front pocket here is a little bit smaller. Again, just something small, maybe some razor blades, maybe some combs, things like that. Just some small things you wanna throw in this top pouch. Usually, guys, I put gloves in this front pocket on the bottom. I'll put about 10 or 12 gloves in here when I go to do a house call or go on the road to a show. I'll have my gloves here. And I usually slip my cape right up in here. So if you guys fold your cape down to about a 6 or 8 inch square, you guys can slide it right in this pocket. And that's usually where I put it. I'll go ahead and flip it down, guys. We will open the top pouch and show you guys what is in here. Okay, so this is the top pocket. This is usually where I put my blow dryer and my beam team compressor. I haven't packed it in this bag. It's probably a little bit skinnier, so I'm not sure how it fits, but in the big bag, it will definitely fit. This is a good spot for a blow dryer for sure. And then other things like that that don't really fit in the bottom, don't really fit in the top. This is kind of just a big general pocket for you guys to put whatever you want. You can see in the top, guys, we have some Velcro slots. You guys can put whatever you want. Guys, that's the thing about this bag. You guys can really pack it however you want. I'm just kind of telling you guys how I do it. So really what I said I put in this top pocket is all I usually use. I don't really use this up here. Obviously, guys, the more you layer things, the funnier it is when you close it. So, but you do have some space up here for some things in these pockets. And then we have a big zipper up here that you guys could put something big and flat. I don't know, maybe a cape, maybe a travel mirror. You guys know GandB makes a travel mirror. If you guys want to throw that in here, you can probably throw it in this top pocket as well. All right guys, last but not least, the bottom pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this down on the chair, zoom in so you guys can see this is where the major differences are. All right guys, so this is the bottom pocket of the bag. So like I said, the Klutch over the shoulder bag is basically just this right here. The big bag obviously has the same things here, but these trays are a little bit bigger and some of this is a little bit bigger, and I'll tell you guys when I get there. But we have another mesh pouch here. Again, guys, I usually put my enhancement card in here. Again, maybe some combs, maybe some different flat things. Razor blades, feather razor, razor handle, you guys can throw in here. It does Velcro up. We have another big pocket in the back. Again, guys, maybe the travel mirror, some big flat things. You could even put your enhancement card and some of those things in here. Maybe some towels. And then right underneath that, guys, we have some pouches here. So I usually put my shave gel in here, my no drip, some of my hair products that are in those cylinder style bottles. I'll just line them up in these pouches. And then last but not least, guys, right here are some scissor spots. So you can put your scissors through here, the point down in here, and travel safely with your scissors. And for those of you who don't know, you can travel with a blade up to 7 inches. So the blade, I believe, can't be 3.5 inches from the actual sharp part, but you guys can travel with your scissors when you travel through the airport. Last but not least, guys, down here are the clipper trays. These pieces move, guys, so you can set these up however you want, make slots for your clippers, and basically make it fit all nice and neat like a puzzle. You guys put your clippers in here, then you can fold these out when you're working on the road, and you guys see we have a lot of space underneath. So usually underneath, I'll put my combs and brushes, some hair product that doesn't fit up in these pouches. I don't want to make it too big and bulky because then it doesn't close very well. So I'll put my pucks of hair product down here, brushes, combs, enhancements, fibers, and maybe even a couple extra clippers or your shaver, something like that that doesn't fit up here, we can put down here. And obviously, guys, these fold down over and protect it and hold it down nice and neat. Now, last but not least, guys, on the bottom, we do have these clips right here. You guys can bring them up, clip them in, and this thing will sit up just like this so you guys can work out of it. Now, obviously, you don't want to have too much weight back here or you will see the bag wanting to tip backwards, but if it is lightweight up here, you have your blow dryer out, you have your mirror and all your things that were up here out of the bag, you guys can just flip this up, work with your scissors and your things right here, open these trays out, and you guys can work straight out of this bag. Now, these trays are a drastic improvement. Let me tilt it up so you guys can see it a little bit better, but these are like a diamond plate, carbon fiber look material, and these are a lot more sturdy than the last ones that I had. So these trays are solid. You guys are not gonna break them. Super nice, fold them out, fold them back in. And like I said, you guys can fit lots of clippers and accessories in these trays. Now, when you close it, guys, you gotta make sure that those buckles are in there. I do that all the time. I try to close it and zip up the buckles. You guys can see it sticking out the top right here. We'll just tuck those in, zip it back closed. Now we can look at the outside. I wanna show you guys a few more features to this new bag. So my first bag, guys, did not have this big water bottle slot. You guys can fit a water bottle, actually the water bottle that you would use for your haircuts or when you're traveling, if you wanna throw your drink in here. Obviously, guys, same type shape as a water bottle or cool care, something like that. Those are things that are hard to travel with, and in the airport, you can't take things like that. But if you're doing house calls, you can throw it in this little strap right here and take it with you. Now on the other side, you guys will see a mesh pocket here. You could use that for the same thing. And this is a brand new add-on to the bag. These straps right here, guys, we can take our tripod, tuck it in here, strap it in, pull it snug, and we can travel with our tripod attached to our GandB bag. All right, guys, so that is it for my unboxing on the new GandB Pro travel bags. This is the G5 Mini tripod. Like I said, guys, he does have the big bags, the Klutch bags. There's also a suitcase size bag. Basically anything you guys are looking for depending on what you need for your travel or house call needs. Now we're actually gonna be doing a giveaway through GandB Pro and myself, and you guys have a chance to win one of these gray and lime green bags. So head over to Instagram. I'm gonna pull my phone out real quick and find you the details on the giveaway. All right, guys, so these bags actually came out today. So go to GandB Pro on Instagram and you guys can enter this giveaway. I'm gonna tell you guys the details right now. I have it pulled up on my phone. You guys go enter and you guys can maybe win this bag right here. So you're gonna go to GandB Pro, GandB Pro, that is their Instagram. And here's how you're gonna win, guys. You gotta make sure you're following GandB Pro and myself. You're gonna like the post and tag 3 of your friends. You get a bonus entry if you repost it on your story and tag GandB Pro and Seancutshair. You can tag for as many entries as you guys want, and I will be picking the winner soon on my YouTube channel. So like I said, guys, that drops today. These bags just came out. They will sell out fast. So go grab one if you guys want. If you want to get on that giveaway and possibly win this for yourself, make sure you guys do that as well. Now, if you go to GandBpro.com, guys, I do have a discount code now. You guys can already guess. It is Seancutshair. You guys can save 10% on any of the bags on the website. These new bags will probably sell out fast though, so make sure you guys hop over there and grab one while you can. Now, guys, that is it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. And Jamal, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, I'd know you watch all my videos and you're not subscribed. Today is the day. Go ahead and hit that button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn your notifications on. It helps the channel out so much because I just hit 50K and we're on the road. Next stop, it's a long way away, but we're gonna hit 100K, guys. That is my goal. I wanna get that YouTube plaque. That'll let me know I really did something on YouTube. So, guys, hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up if you haven't yet, if you like this video. Guys, it helps the channel so much when you guys interact, leave comments, hit the like button. You guys don't even know it helps the channel grow. That's what tells YouTube that the videos are interesting and puts them out to more people. But anyway, guys, that is it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.